Yo, how's it going, fellas? Welcome back to another trade recap video. Today we did take a trade, so we're gonna go over it. Without further ado, let's fucking ride. So, I had seen that we had this 4-hour fair value gap here, right? Let's just scale and draw out our drawings again. So we had marked out Asian session, London session, and New York session open. Right, so I had drawn out these draws on liquidity. 4-hour draw, boop, and then we had these draws on liquidity here, boop, boop, and then. So what made me take a long position today, or a long position today? Basically, I had seen that yes, we were making this bearish order flow on the high time frame. So I was potentially going to look for shorts, right? If market was to come up here and take out these draws on liquidity early, I was going to potentially look for shorts, short down to this high time frame draw on liquidity down here, right? But what I had seen when market opened is that we were just trending down, trending down, trending down. We could get this out of here, and then so we had this bullish for value gap here get disrespected before market open. We took out this draw on liquidity here, boop, and then so basically from there it's like, okay, we're gonna go down, right? So I wanted to look. I was no longer willing to go short today, just based off of we already took out some of the confluences pre-market open, right? So from there I was looking for longs. And I had seen that we had this draw on liquidity here, we had this draw on liquidity here, we have these 15-minute imbalances here. So basically, that's what I was looking for to get targeted. If it did get targeted, potentially find something to enter on. Let's scale into the 5 or the 1 minute now. That's what I took my trade on today. So I seen that, boom, market opens, we take out this draw on liquidity here, we come in and fill in some of these fair value gaps. This was obviously the draw on liquidity that we wanted to target today. So I was looking for potential reversals to come take out these draws on liquidity here. Boom, boom, boom. And then London session, boom, right? So I was just basically waiting. I had seen that we'd taken out this draw on liquidity, and then from there we inversed this fair value gap here. So now I flipped bullish, right? And from there I just was waiting for a couple other confluences to be able to go long, because I didn't want to go long just based off of an inverse fair value gap, right? So from there I drew out my Fibonacci from the high to the low. I'd seen that, boom, we disrespected the 79% rule, or the 79% range. Boom, that's another confluence. And then on this candle here, we had broken structure to the upside. When we broke structure, I entered on the break of structure because we had already inversed the fair value gap. We had broken the 79%, which means we're flipping to bullish structure, and then we had also broken structure to the upside on the 1 minute time frame. So from there, this was kind of an aggressive trade, so I did scale down significantly on my position. So break structure, put my stop loss below the lows, because that's where my idea would have gotten validated. And from there, where are we targeting? This was my take profit 1. This was my take profit 2 at these low resistance highs, and then my final take profit was at London session high. And we smack a dab a dude, all 3 of them, like it was fucking clockwork. Yeah, that's basically all I got for you fellas today. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.